Want to master forms in SwiftUI with real-time data observation and seamless validation? In this complete tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional dynamic form that responds to user inputs. Let's get started and take your iOS apps to the next level. So this is the app we will create. It enables the user to enter their username. And as I enter my username, you can see the progression within this bar. Enter my email address. Password. Gender. Hobbies. And also we can select a photo, but that's optional. And then we can submit the form. Xcode is a little bit slow again. So this is the application feature that we will create. In this tutorial, we'll create the radio button group to enable the user to select male or female. Add a new SwiftUI file and name it radio button group. We can delete the preview and then enter the following: at binding, bar, selected gender, string. Let genders equals male, female. So we have our array of genders. Delete line 14. Add a VStack. Alignment dot leading. Text for the caption is select gender. Dot font. Dot headline. For each gender, for each genders ID, give each gender an ID. Gender in hstack. Now we display the value of the gender. Spacer circle, the purpose of the circle is to create a circle radio button, to create a round radio button. On line 17, the bracket at the end should be before gender. And before self, there should be a full stop. Stroke, selected, gender is equal to gender. Dot blue, else color is grey, line width is 2. So what that line does, it sets the stroke color based on the selection. The next thing we need to do is add a background. Circle.fill, selected gender is equal to gender. So if we select the gender, it will be selected as blue. Else, if we deselect it, it will be a clear color. Dot frame width 24, height 24. Purpose of that is to set the size of the circle. Dot on tap gesture. Selected gender. So whichever gender we select, it will be copied into the selected gender variable. After line 29, add padding to the H stack, which will be vertical 5 pixels. And then the next thing we need to do is add some more padding to the horizontal V-stack. Horizontal, background, rounded rectangle, border radius is 10, and stroke. So that would add a rounded rectangle with a stroke around the V-stack. I think this is in the wrong place. So the lines 31 and 32. We need a bracket at the end of line 32, but lines 31 and 32 needs to be moved. And it should be on after line 32, so line 33. And that should be corner radius, not corner size. Rounded rectangle, corner radius, dot. See if we can fix it this way. I'll just compile it. It's compiled. In the next tutorial, we'll start to implement the content view. So that'll be for next week. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.